If you're a business owner who's frustrated that your website isn't bringing in new leads or struggling to build one yourself, this video is for you. This video is around 5 minutes long, but if you stick around to the end, even if you decide not to go with us, I promise you that you'll learn more about SEO and how Google works to help your business get more leads. When working with businesses across the world, we notice they usually take one of two routes. The first way is they usually end up making their website using a template website maker like Wix or WordPress, and they end up usually looking pretty good because they follow a template, or they get stuck and don't know how to finish it. Either way, they end up getting no clicks or leads because their website isn't built to rank on Google and convert customers. The second way is hiring a web agency and paying them absurd amounts of money for a website. And the catch is, most agencies end up using a template website maker like Wix or WordPress anyway, and end up selling you a template website they sold to countless other businesses. You can see this here. Our landscaper previously had an agency build a website for them, which stopped working after a year because they used an outdated template. They didn't rank on Google and were getting 0 leads a month. They had no support from the web agency and they refused to fix it without being paid more. What I'm going to do now is walk through some of our past projects and show you exactly how we code and set up these websites to rank on Google. We use a language called Next.js, which is the leading website building language for best SEO practices, and Google loves it. All the websites come built with SEO from the start. This includes schema markup, sitemaps, robot.txt files, and any other schema your website might need. All these files you never see on the front end of the website and are all working behind the scenes. Without these important files, your website is pretty much invisible on Google because Google doesn't know what you offer or doesn't trust your website. Once the website is finished, we're not done. We set up Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and a Google tag so we can track everything on the website. From the amount of time a user spends on each page, where they are clicking, how many times they are clicking on the call button a month, and how they ended up on your website. From organic ranking to Facebook to Instagram. We go above and beyond for our clients and make it as easy as possible for their business. We handle all the technical stuff and provide a very easy to read report showing these results month by month. The problem with template website builders is that while they make it easy to put something online quickly, every site ends up looking almost identical. They're generic, copy-pasted designs that just don't stand out. But the bigger issue goes far beyond the looks. SEO isn't just about how your website looks, how fast it loads, or whether it has optimized images. It's about making your website understandable and trustworthy to search engines. Google prioritizes sites that are structured properly, load quickly, provide unique, high-quality content, and follow technical SEO best practices. Template sites often miss a lot of these crucial points. That means even if your website looks nice, it's almost invisible to the people actively searching for your products or services in your area. You could spend hours or even months building a site, but if it's built on a template, your potential customers will likely never see it. This is exactly why so many businesses feel frustrated. They have a nice website, but it doesn't generate leads, calls, or sales. At JXM Studio, we design and build a custom-coded, high-converting site built with SEO from the ground up and optimized for Google with tracking software to see the results. If this sounds like something you want for your business, whether you already have a website that isn't converting well, or you don't have one yet, fill in the form below this video. We only take on a few clients a month to maintain the quality of our work. So if you're ready, fill out the quick 1-minute form below, and we'll reach out to you if we think you're a good fit. We've helped dozens of businesses across the world get real results online, from New Zealand to Australia and even America. Let's do the same for you.